Hello, Elaine from Elaine's Creations here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the hand-drawn blooms bundle from the Artistry Blooms suite. So the Artistry Blooms suite includes this really cool paper that has all kinds of cool designs and ombre designs. So I'm going to use some of this paper. You can use whatever color you'd like. I wanted to show you in the catalog the suite. So here's the whole suite. It includes the bundle, the designer series paper. There's rainbow glimmer paper that's super pretty and cool, and Artistry Blooms sequins. So I'm going to show you all of it. So here's the bundle right here, and here it is right here as well. So this is the stamp set, and this is the die that I'm using. So for this card, I'm only using the top half of the die. So I've cut off the top half. So instead of using it this way, I'm going to turn it 90 degrees and use it this way. So I'm going to start by just adhering the paper down to the card. Let's see, cue that up again. Oh, I ran out. I'm like, why? Okay, so I guess we're gonna learn how to change this out. So this is done, so you throw it away. And then you look for more. So this is a new one. Comes in these little packages. And then you just pop it in. Get any gunk off. There's gunk here. Just get some, clean it off, and then pop that on. That is all. Okay, so we're going to continue. Cue it up. There we go. Continue with the, I think I want to do it this way. Oh, I love this paper. I just bought 2 more packages of it. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna put these aside here because I'm going to bring in a scrap piece of paper so that I can glue this without getting glue all over my nice paper and then glue all over me. I'm sure you guys know how that feels, right? So glue, 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 glue. Glue, 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 glue. Okay, so now I'm gonna adhere this to the card. Pretty simple card. And just put this right along the edge of the paper. And you can use a block to kind of press it into place. And we'll let this dry. And I've got some black cardstock and my embossing buddy, some Versamark and some embossing powder, and my stamps. So I've got thank you, stamp that over here, and friend. Over here. So I'm gonna get some embossing powder on this. And it doesn't matter if it's straight or not because we're gonna trim it. I'm going to find my tweezers so I don't get burned. Put this away. And then we'll just let this cool off a little bit while we add some fun sequins that are part of the suite. So we'll add one of these large ones down here at the bottom. And then we'll do 2 little ones at the top. 1 2. So cute. Okay, so now we're going to trim the thank you and the friend. And just trim it as close as you would like. I'm going to trim it pretty close. Pretty close. Okay, so get rid of all these little scraps and use some glue. And we'll just use the tweezers again. Do friend. Try to get that straight. There we go. Thank you, friend. What is that right there? Is that paper? Is that glue? Okay, so there we go. There is our beautiful Artistry Blooms card. So I'm offering a class on this bundle. So in this class, you would make 2 of these cards, 2 of these cards, and 2 of these cards. You can purchase the class for $25 plus $5 shipping, or you can purchase the bundle and get the class for free. So you just go to my website, elainescreations.net, and click on Shop Now and use this hostess code to purchase this bundle. If you already have this bundle or you want a different bundle, you can purchase a different bundle and use this hostess code, and I will still send you this class for free. So you can just send me an email to elaine@elainescreations.net letting me know that you want this class. And just to show you guys, I have some extra cards that I made with this suite. So this is using the rainbow glimmer paper. So it's glimmery. Can you see that there? A little bit. And then my friend made this card with more of the rainbow glimmer paper. And then this is just a simple card, but it looks pretty because of the paper. And then this one, I just rolled the die in halfway, and then I didn't cut the rest. So many possibilities with this suite and bundle. Thank you guys for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can check out all my new videos, and check out my website, elainescreations.net. I'm going to be posting all of these cards on my blog as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.